Mumons, so let's spy on them. Okay, so they have the essentials. Ooh, nice food bowls with kitty ears. And there's all my food. Wait, that's it? That's not a lot. And they only have 2 choices? Mommy, tell them to buy more. Look at that. They know I'll have diarrhea because of them. Oh, litter boxes. Yes, I need those. Why is there a food bowl there? Oh, that one's ugly. I don't need that. I can find my own box. What is this? Ooh, my Mumons are ready to scoop poo-poo every day. I don't care about these. Why do they have so many? They have the evil tool. And they have other evil tools. Oh no. Mommy, I don't like this realm. Not this one, okay? I don't care about any of these. Oh, I see snacks. Oh, I love snacks. Okay, I take it back. This is my new realm. Hello, I'm coming.